something that's not for me. There's a problem here, but it's not yours, it's his. There's gotta be more to live for in a lonely town like this. The stores are closing, and friends. There's so many things to be angry about, and my phone won't ring unless I call you out. But the kids seem good, and that'll do for now. There's gotta be more in store for this long